Hi, welcome back. In this video, we are going to discuss about software testing methodologies. So, what are these software testing methodologies? So, these are the methods that are used to perform the testing activities in the software application. Okay, there are three types of methods. One is white box testing, second one is black box testing, and the third one is gray box testing. So, what is a white box testing? What is a black box testing? What is a gray box testing? We are going to learn each and every method. Okay. Now, I'll ask you a question. What is a white box testing? What do you think about it? So, when you see the word white box testing, what comes to your mind? Do you think in this way? White box testing is where there will be a white box and we have to test that? No. White box testing means white box testing means here the coding is involved. Okay, here the coding is involved. If you want to say, so you might ask me, so is it with the developer or is it with the automation tester? So as I said, white box testing is also is where coding is involved, and this is performed by developers only. The white box testing will not be performed by testers. Now you might ask another question. So automation team also does the coding, but why automation team is not? Why does automation team does not use white box? No, automation team does develop the code, but if you see, they develop the code to perform the functional testing. Okay, their code involves the test cases that manual testing team designs. Okay, but it their code does not involve the development of the application. Automation team's code involves development of the testing activities, but not the development of the application. So white box testing is only performed by developer. Okay, white box testing is also known as unit testing. Now you might ask, what is this unit testing? Okay, what is this unit testing? I'll show you. Okay, let's say here is an example. So this is a MS Paint. There are n number of different kinds of menus are there, and if you see, there is a select option, there is a paint, etc., colors, everything is there. Okay, let's say we are testing this. Sorry, let's say this is the application we are working on. Okay, so when we are working on this application, so there are a number of functionalities in this. Okay, changing color is one kind of functionality. Okay, changing color is one kind of functionality, and give me 1 minute, guys. Yeah, color changing is one kind of functionality. These are different shapes. If you are using these shapes, that's another kind of functionality. So if you are using a font or text, if you are writing a text here, that's another kind of functionality. If you are using an eraser, that's another kind of functionality. So these are different kinds of functionalities. Now, when developer develops this kind of application, so they will have each and every for each and every shape, they will have some few lines of code. Let's say some 10-20 lines of code. Okay. Now, to test these functionalities, okay, let's say the developer is testing a select functionality. So when the code runs for the select functionality, user should be able to select a particular area, okay, in the window. Or when a code runs for paint, so that particular area should be painted. Okay, I'll try to simplify you this example. Okay, and let's go into the browser. I'll take you through the browser and I'll explain what is this white box or unit testing. Okay, because I want you to understand with ease. Okay, see, this is the Google page. Now you are seeing a Google page, right? Now, in this Google page, there are different kinds of functionalities. So, what are the different kinds of functionalities you can see here? If you see here, if you see here, there is a add shortcut, there is a search, there is a mic, there is a photo, image, and apart from these, if you try to perform some search, try to click or see here, you have a Gmail, images, and this is some kind of menu containing apps. So all these are different functionalities. Now let's say developer is developing this page and they want to test this Google Apps. Okay, to test this Google Apps, they have to add a different URLs in this particular menu, and they have to test it. Okay, let's say they want to test this Google Apps. Now, for this Google Apps, there will be some part of the code. Okay, some lines of code, some around 20, 50, 100 lines of code. So, to test this particular Google Apps, they will run this 20 or 100 lines of code to see how this functionality is working. Okay, so this is called the unit testing. To test a particular functionality, they will run a specific lines of code. Okay, so this is called the unit testing. So this is also called a white box testing. Okay, understood? Second one is black box testing. Black box testing is performed by us, that is a testing team. Testing team will perform the black box testing. Okay, so you might ask me, in black box testing, do we need a code or not? No. In black box testing, we do not need any code. Okay, we do not need any code in black box testing. All we need is the what do we say, requirements or specifications and the application. Okay, we'll literally manually will validate the application based on the requirements. So the black box testing is performed by the testing team. There is no code involved. The functionality of the application are tested based on the requirements, and application is validated to check if this software application or the project is developed as per the requirements or not. Okay, next comes is the gray box testing. So as I mentioned, white box testing is performed by development team. Black box testing is performed by testing team. There is a gray box. So in general, in the real life, real time projects, I did not see this gray box tester. Okay, I did not see this gray box tester, a person working in gray box. But when I checked with different websites, and let me be very frank, I do also learn, and so if I have any questions, I do go and Google search and learn a few things. Okay, because if I have to tell you, I should have the knowledge on that. So I have googled it, I have learned about it, and I have seen the gray box testing team or gray box tester is both the developer as well as the tester. Okay, so if there are any flaws in the application, you would know where the flaws are. You would directly go into that particular area of the code and you will modify it. The flaws are fixed. Okay, so in general, gray box testers I have never seen in my real life, but this is what the person do. He should have both knowledge on development as well as the testing, and he would know if there is any issue in the application, he would directly know where the issue is. He would directly go there, fix that, and deploy it again. the application will work as usual. Okay, so here is a small diagram that I have tried to give for you. So the white box indicates the complete white, and this is done by the test development team. Black box is where you do not know what is happening in the background. The only thing that you are concerned is the requirements and the application. If the application is developed as per the requirements or not. And gray box is, you see, this is the particular area where I have colored it gray because it is done by both white box testing, that is development, as well as the testing team. Okay, so this is the small topic, guys, about the testing software testing methodologies, but these are very important, and especially white box and black box are very important. Gray box is a good to know information for us, so I have added that also in our video. So yeah, this is all about the testing methodologies. Next would be the requirement traceability metrics. We'll see what it is, and we'll try to understand what is requirement traceability matrix and what is its importance in the project. Okay, guys. Uh, we'll see you on next video. Bye bye.